What's up, guys? Paul with Livernois Motorsports, and we're back today with a familiar face. This is a 2024 Mustang. We just picked it up from the dealership a few months ago, got around to throwing a few things on it, and did some amazing numbers. You can actually run single-digit quarter miles with just a couple things, and I'm gonna tell you what that is. This right here has a 3-liter Whipple. That's the key feature to it. We have a package right on our website where you can just go click it, order it, we'll schedule you in, get a Whipple on it, boom, 300 plus horsepower. I think this one did 340 horsepower over stock with just this Whipple for a power adder. Absolutely incredible. So just for a couple of key points, this is on 93. 93 alone, no additives, no other fuels, no E85, just 93 pump gas running 9-second quarter miles. With this package, you get your 3-liter Whipple, you get your Tomahawk tuner. We actually upgrade the spark plugs as well, just so we can get a little bit colder on the plugs. But it can take the power. These Mustangs absolutely love it. This is probably one of the most popular things that we do to these cars, Coyotes in general. But we have a lot of fun working with these, so we'd love if you gave us a call and got this package done, because you'll have a lot of fun too. Realistically though, a couple more add-on features that we like to put in with these to run that number and what you guys are expecting out of this thing, and that is a drag pack and some Ford Performance axles. We'll put a drag pack on this thing. I'll cue you guys in with some B-roll, but it looks really good. And tucked behind them, we've got the Ford Performance axles, which I would really recommend having if you're putting a sticky tire on this thing and trying to jam over 700 horsepower to the wheels. So while this is an extremely popular package, don't forget the 2 upgrades. But give us a call over at Livernois Motorsports. It's just one click away, one phone call away, and we'll get you guys scheduled in with your Mustang.